Hello and namaste everyone. Today we are going to unboxing and review the Q8 dual wireless microphone. We are going to unboxing and we will review this one, and then after we will tell everything how is it and it is working good or not. So I have this Q8 wireless dual microphone. I'm going to unboxing this product. So this is going to do it. And these are the bits. So we need to open this bill separately because the product is not into it. Sorry. So the cost of this one is near 2374, but with shipping charge and transportation charge, it's 2499. It means near 2500. So no problem. These are the doing this. Then after we are going to unboxing this. This is a product in my hand. You can see here wireless, and the main thing is that it has a chargeable device. Like we no need to do it separate charge. There's already like charging bank. I need to push it here, then okay. So this is our device, and it supports a Type C charger. You can easily put Type C data cable here, and you can charge easily with your charging. So I have take out all the material from this box, and this is the description. This is a instruction. From here you can learn everything, like how to operate and how to operate it, and it's give each and every detail of instruction, so you can read carefully. One side in Chinese language and one side is in English language because it's a Chinese product. So, and this is the data cable. You can use this cable for while charging. So you can use this one for charging, and then after this is the if you have an iPhone device, then you can use this one for iPhone device. And then after this is the main box where wireless microphone inside it. So we are going to open this one. So you can see where there's two wireless microphone, and this is the receiver. So I open this receiver, then after two microphone. Like you can see when I take out from this one, then it automatically started, and so this one is also. You can also see this is also automatically started. So, and then again you put inside this one, then this will be show the how much there is percentage remaining. So I take this all thing outside, and the main thing is that you can use this one this magnet. You can use put something, put in your. You can use to put like this one, you can attach like this. Otherwise, if you want to take this one, and then after insert this one, you can also hold this one. This you can also hold this one. There's two things, two way you can use this microphone. Then after this is the switch on, switch off button. When you hold, press and wait for 2 seconds, then it's off, and again you hold for a second, then it start. So you can see this one, and this is a receiver. This is a C type receiver, and most of the like a new phone have a C type of aux, like female jacks. So this is perfect for that one. And like I have this type of female jack like aux. So you think that I couldn't be used inside this one, but that charging port I can also use this one. In new mobile there is a one thing like you can automatically change that one. You can make a aux device from your charging port. So for that one I have already make a one video how to make this one. Then I will put that video in a description box, so you can use this port for this one for for operating. So you can see when I insert in this, it automatically start, and here is already one aux. So I can use this too. And so for you don't know how to make how to turn automatically, so I have already made one video. You can see from description box, and I have already put the video. You can you can select from our card video. So this is the way to make this one. And then after we are going to testing this mic, how is it while using the sound, how is it the sound. So we are going to take that one. So I will be take this one, and so I am going to insert this camera for testing. These all are sound like from my microphone. I haven't used any mic in my phone. So this is these are sound from my phone. So now I am going to insert this one in my phone. This sound is I am using this mic. I've already put this receiver in my mobile. So I am going to put this one, and now these all sound you can these all sound you listen, that is from my wireless microphone. From this microphone I am recording this sound, and it's how is it. You can compare yourself, or you can check yourself how is it, and I am going to also review to how much it is working. So this sound has been recorded from this camera. So now I am going to check one, and I am going to show you how is it. And you can also differencing about before that one how was the sound, and now how is it. So you can also compare yourself. So yeah, this microphone is pretty good, and these are the very good, and you can use this one, and it's working good. And it's also it's not that much expensive comparing to roadmap or comparing to professional Mac. If you are beginner, then you can use this Mac. And if you are from if you are from Nepal, then you can also order online, because in market it is not easy to get. So you can see here I put the price and everything here. You can see I was order from this Daraz. So you can search this thing, and you can order from the Daraz. It's never the real cost of this one never 2400, but due to shipping charge and transportation charge, it's costing about 150 will be high. So it's a price. And then after you can order the real cost of this one is 2400. So this is very reliable microphone, and you can enjoy if you are the beginner. And it's a very good, and the sound you can compare yourself. Before that one I was use this one. So this is very good and very effective. I hope that you really enjoy with our video, and it is effective for you. Thank you for our watching video, for your continued support, and for come first to end. Thank you for watching our video.